What's up, driveway sealers? Happy Valentine's Day. To kick our Valentine's Day off, we wanted to do it right, so we decided to go ahead and do a driveway seal. So it's in the low 60s here. I think we're in Franklin, and low 60s. Putting on the first coat right now. We'll do the second coat this afternoon. Want to show you this project. We've got, this is a crack filler we used. We offered to do a crack filler throughout all of it. So this is a good help to the customer. Fill in the cracks. And then this is the sealant that we're using, so it's a high gloss on it. We did a brown color on this one. It's a little bit of an older driveway, so after cleaning it, turned a whole different color, and then now sealing it. So high gloss acrylic seal on it. Has a hard count of 30 in it, so really good stuff. We'll go ahead and seal it now, and then we'll come back this afternoon and then do the second coat on it. So it'll be completely done. It'll be safe to walk on in 4 hours after that. Safe to drive on 48 to 72 hours. So that is all of it. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts.